This week's problem of the week is called Brady's allowance. We're going to take a look at the example question. So it says every week, Chris gets $5 more in his paycheck than Tucker does. They each spend $4 on lottery tickets and save the rest. Chris saves $100 in the time Tucker saves $75. So in part one, how many weeks does it take Chris to save $100? So what we can do is we can use the fact that because Chris is getting more, there's a difference in their paychecks. So when their savings happens, there's also going to be a difference in their savings. We can find the difference between their savings. So Chris saves $100 in the same time as it takes Tucker. So we can find the difference between their savings for $100 to $75. This is a difference of $25. Since we know that every week Chris is getting $5 more, but they're spending the same on lottery tickets, we can use the fact that he gets $5 more each week than Tucker is getting. So we can take the $25 and we can divide it by the $5 because we know each week he'll be getting that $5 more. So this is a total of 5 weeks. So we know that this is 5-week time period that Chris is able to save 100 and Tucker is able to save 75. In part 2, it says how much money does Tucker get every week? So what we do, since we know it takes Tucker 5 weeks to save the $75, we can take the $75 and divide by 5 to figure out how much money he's saving per week. 75 divided by 5 is $15 per week gets saved. The only thing that Chris and Tucker spend their money on that we're told in the problem is $4 on lottery tickets. So we need to add back in the $4 that he spends on lottery tickets every week. This tells us that Tucker gets $19 per week for his paycheck.